Sketch illustration with markers are in trend now. It's easier and more convenient to work with markers than with paints, but at the same time you can create truly detailed illustration. My name is Olga. I'm illustrator, graphic designer, content creator and educator. In this class, we will be learning how to draw fine detailed food illustration using markers. Together we will draw an appetizing croissant from the beginning to the end. We will be covering how to transfer an image from a reference to a paper, how to draw the right pencil sketch, what are the steps of the coloring with markers, how to make textures look realistic, how to make your sketch more delicious, and as a bonus part, we will create some nice lettering. I'm thrilled to see the pieces you create during and after this class. Welcome to my class, let's get started!